As you know, we don't have the amount of broken cars today that we had several years ago. Cars are made much better. People are doing a good job of changing the oil. They're lasting longer. So if we're waiting for broken cars to fill our bays, we don't have that anymore. So we really have to look at the preventative maintenance.
You know, they want to come up with better ways. They either want to get a smaller car with better gas mileage, or they want to find a better way to increase the gas mileage on their vehicles.
Because, you know, once we hit that $4 threshold, I think that was everybody's panic button.
I advertise heavier for better fuel mileage with the intake cleanings that we do here with BG.
Well, it's not only fuel and air induction services, it's all of your BG products, because the customers understand if their car performs better, they're going to get better fuel economy. The mass airflow induction service, it's a very easy sell. That's going to be savings to them and more profitability to us.
Fuel services are very important. In our part of the world, we deal with a lot of diesels. We probably sell 85% diesels, and those fuel services for those kinds of people, especially in the oil field, because when their vehicles are down, they're down. They're not making money. So BG Products has been just crucial in helping these oil field companies.
You know, when a customer comes to the service drive, I make sure I do a 35-point check on every vehicle. Once we do that, we can determine at that point, can actually look at part of the intake on most of our vehicles by removing a throttle tube or something like that to see if it's been carboned up. And once we see that, then we will try to sell the service to the customer. Yeah, that's become one of my biggest sellers right now.